Hey folks, JD here, and today I'm taking the fire dancer back up. So I wanted to see exactly how this does after a while. It has been a long while since I've flown this. It's been about 8 months since I've flown this, I think. And I just wanted to see exactly how it went. I remember I stopped flying it for a reason, but I don't remember how, but I don't remember why. I can see it twitching. I checked over the configuration yesterday and couldn't see any particular reason for me stopping flying it, and thought that I would carry on today and see exactly how we go, and if she does need any more configuration then I can take her from there. But yeah, this thing is absolutely lethal. Now the FPV laws in the UK have changed recently. It was last year, and essentially now if you want to fly FPV you have to have a spotter. So there has to be two of you in the field, one flying, one with FPV goggles on and the other one line of sight. And quite honestly, because I fly solo, that means that I'm pretty much out of the FPV game when it comes to quads. Not when it comes to trucks and cars and, you know, stuff like that. When it comes to flying RC, then yeah, I am no longer in the game for the FPV, unfortunately. But to be fair, I quite enjoy line of sight a whole lot more than I do FPV. I feel a bit more immersed in line of sight. Line of sight is how I first learned when I was, you know, flying planes back in the day. And oh, that was a bit of a configuration issue there.
Okay, so the main issue being that the quadcopter is not 100% stable if I 100% positive pitch. So this could be down to my PIDs, it could be down to the particular mode that I've got running. It does seem for all the world as if whenever I 100% positive pitch, like it's trying to push into acro mode, but stability mode, stabilize mode is trying to stop it. So it's like as if it's fighting itself, and that's what causes this jerking. So what I decided to do was I went back through, I had a little look at all my settings, I took a backup of all my settings, and then I just reset everything back to factory settings. Because to be perfectly honest with you, I can't remember what the hell I set there, 8-9 months ago. So I think this is the best way that we can get around it, is to reset everything. I have that backup should I need to re-upload. And I've gone back through every single screen. I've looked at my PIDs, I've looked at my modes, I've looked at the throttle percentages, I've looked at everything, and the main configuration included. And now I've chosen what I normally choose on my other Furibee that I have here, and I want to see exactly how that looks. So these next screenshots you're going to see is it going through the motions, showing you just what I've got set. This is just a very, very basic factory standard setting, just so that I can see exactly how this is going to react. Now that this is all done, I'm now going to take her back out and we're going to give her another blip and see exactly how she does. Okay, so we've taken her back out for a short flight. I've had another little look at her. She seems to be a lot better. There's not as much juddering. Now, there was still a little bit, and I can't quite make up my mind if that was because of the ferocity that I was attacking corners on, and she was juddering as she changed course direction, or if it was because there was a little bit of wind, or if it was because she was misconfigured. So it's one of those three. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge these batteries back up. I'm going to wait a couple of days until the wind dies down, until I've actually got time to take her back out, and then I'm going to take her back out on a 2-pack test and see exactly how she does then, and then and only then we're going to know if she's actually properly configured. I think she is at this point. She feels like she is. I mean, every setting is down to factory settings, so this would have been exactly how I had the quadcopter originally. Now, I can't remember why I changed these settings. I obviously wanted to try something new, or I wanted to do something, and obviously, well, time has gone past. I can't remember because I'm getting old. So therefore, now we've got a quadcopter which is back to factory settings, good enough for me to fly, so I think I'll do exactly that. Right then, folks, well, I hope you've enjoyed this and given people a little insight into configuration of quadcopters and how they can perform if not configured 100% correctly. Thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.